In this video, I want to show you how to use your Logitech mouse M185 with your iPad. So let's get started. Now this mouse doesn't have Bluetooth, so you'll have to open the small compartment over here, take the USB dongle out, make sure you insert a battery if it's not already the case, with the positive side pointing this way. And then, since the iPad only has a USB Type-C port, right over here, you see, and this dongle is USB Type-A, you will need an adapter. I'll put a link in the description, but basically it's one of these. It's a USB Type-A to USB Type-C. So once you have connected both, insert it in the port of the iPad. And now all it's left to do is to turn on the mouse. So you see there's a small switch, turn it towards the right side. And right away, I don't know if you see, you're gonna see a cursor appearing on your iPad, and you can use this as a computer now. Drag down from the top right corner of your iPad, make sure this sign over here is turned on. And what it means is now that you open an app, you'll be able to resize it by dragging the lower right corner, the same way it is on a computer. And you can place it anywhere over here, tap the green icon, and now you can resize this one and put it side by side with the other app. You can edit the mouse settings of your iPad by going into the settings. Then on the left side menu, you're going to find accessibility, this one right over here. Go down in the accessibility menu and select pointer control, this one right here. You'll be able to increase the contrast of the cursor, hide the cursor when it's not in use. So if, let's say, you stop touching the mouse for a certain period of time, the cursor on the screen will disappear. You can change the color, you can change the pointer size if you prefer it to be super big or very small, and the scrolling speed, you can also change it right over here. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.